Silipin natin si Sunny. Mukhang malungkot, Sunny. Gusta? Ha? Malungkot ko dyan? Ha? Bakit? Ayun si Michelle, oh. Maglaro kayo. Ganda ng ilaw ng aking mahal na asawa, oh. Tingnan nyo. Simpleng dekorasyon niya dito sa aming terrace. Ayan. Pasilip ko sa iyo sa labas, ha. Lalabas tayo para makita nyo. Ayan. Pasko na. May Christmas light na kami dito sa labas ng bahay. Ano? Ayan. Ayun, oh. Mukhang may pa-birthday yung mahal kong asawa. Oh, ano kaya to? Sa ating guys. Wow naman! Ang sarap niyan. Dalawa pa talaga. Wow! Yummy to. Yun, nahulog yung soft drinks. Yan, hulog. Oh, may Sprite pa. Ay, thank you, Lord. Thank you for the blessings. Thank you. Ayan, kain na tayo. Ayan, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Ayan, oh. Yung may birthday, oh, yan. Bye. Thank you, guys.
It's a nice place for a bartender.
This is, what do you think?
I came from Home Depot.
Can we get it open?
How am I supposed to know that?
Well, and then can we not just, force it open somehow?
So you want me to break in? Is that's it, huh?
No, it's not. I mean, I'm giving you $400. JJ! Bangun ka nito.